Moana stood at the edge of a lush island, feeling the gentle nudge of the friendly ocean behind her. She had sailed through vast expanses of water only to face what lay ahead, the Big Island, a land known for both its beauty and its dangers. With her stood Maui, the demigod with a heart as large as his ego, always ready to boast of his past exploits. Pua, the loyal pig with a nose for trouble, and Heihei, the clueless rooster, completed their quirky group. Their hearts were set on discovering the secrets that lay within the enigmatic heart of the island. As they ventured deeper, the air grew thicker with anticipation. The island was alive with sounds, birds chirping, leaves rustling, a constant rhythm that felt like a heartbeat. But Moana could feel the presence of something darker, lurking behind the island's vibrant facade. Their first trial came in the form of the fiery Te Kōtuku, an avian adversary whose mere presence could scorch and devastate the ground beneath her talons. With her fiery eyes set on controlling the island's skies, she launched an attack that forced the group to unite like never before. Moana, with her strong will and the ocean's counsel, devised a plan. Maui used his shape-shifting ability to distract the fearsome bird, transforming into various animals, each more ridiculous and humorous than the last, keeping their foe entertained and infuriated. In a twist of destiny, the island spirit aided them, revealing a hidden waterfall whose cool mist extinguished the flames of Te Kōtuku's fury. The villain, realizing her defeat, disintegrated into a flock of peaceful doves, leaving the skies clear once again. Their next adversary was hidden beneath the earth, a chameleon-like creature called Tama'ura. It could blend with its surroundings, making it nearly invisible. The team stumbled upon this sly villain while exploring a network of caves leading to the island's core. Using the moonlight filtering through cracks, Moana cleverly orchestrated a show of lights and shadows that confused Tama'ura, revealing its true form. Cornered, the creature conceded, agreeing to guide them to the heart of the island to cease further deceitful schemes against any future explorers. With each challenge, Moana's strength grew, and her bond with her friends and the island deepened. The Big Island, once a place shrouded in mystery and feared by many, had now become a symbol of unity, bravery, and the importance of harmony with nature. Their adventures on the Big Island taught them that courage combined with friendship and trust could overcome even the most formidable trials. With a farewell wave to the sand, Moana and her allies set sail once more, their hearts forever etched with the island's legend.